Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can compile a code for printing a multiplication table. Now if you are wondering what is a multiplication table is, then don't worry, I'm going to show you what that is. Earlier we already practiced multiplication table. Some of us might have memorized it in a long run, I mean for using it in our future life or so on, but uh, what a multiplication table actually is like this. Let's say I want to print a multiplication table for number 5, and the multiplication table would be like this: 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 15, and so on and so forth until it gets to 5 into 10 equal to 50. So we are going to implement this. All right, so I'm currently using C++ programming language, but if you can understand the concept, you can use any other programming language you want, whether that can be C, Python, Java, JavaScript, or any other language. Don't worry about it. Firstly, you have to make sure that you are understanding the concept clearly. All right, so first of all, let me declare my header file. The popular one I regularly use is stdc, I mean bit/stdc++ dot h, using namespace std, and this is my main function. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna ask the user to provide the value for n, and we will print the multiplication table with respect to n. All right, so enter the value for n like this, and I'm declaring integer n, and now I'm gonna take the value from the user, and now I'm gonna write the multiplication table. The multiplication table for n. All right, and now I can simply use a for loop. Let's say integer I, and I starts from 1 because we need to print the value from 1 to 10. All right, sorry, and I should always be less equal 10, or you can say less than 11. That would also be accurate. And for printing the multiplication value, I can use another variable, but for now I'm not gonna do that. What I can simply print, this is the, let me simplify it, and this would be n, and multiplication here I will use this x sign as a string, and this would be I, and here the result would be n into I, like this. All right, so I can simply use n here. I will print the value for n into I. I want a new line like this. This should work, and after this you can use a return 0 if you want. All right, let me simply run this code. Enter the value for n. Let's say I'm entering 5, so the multiplication table for 5, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15. Cool, it's working perfectly. Now if I simply want to print another multiplication table, let's say for 2 to 1, yeah, it's working perfectly. So this is the code. Let me know whether you can understand the concept or not.